To make this simplified iCORD, I'm going to start with a long yarn end. So you're going to start, same as you normally would, with your slip knot. This is the yarn end, so make one chain with the yarn that's coming from the ball. I'm going to hold my yarn end in the front of my finger, and this is the yarn from the ball in the back. And I'm going to pass the yarn end over the hook from the front to the back. And then I'm going to make one chain. And I'm going to continue to do that. Yarn from the front to the back, and then work a chain. Yarn from the front to the back, continue to make a chain. So once you get accustomed to this, you'll be able to do it much more quickly. So I will just pick up the yarn from the front and then complete my chain. Pick up the yarn from the front, complete my chain. And so that will just go very smoothly and it'll work up very quickly. In no time at all, you'll have an iCORD. It looks like this. And you can just fasten off, and I usually like to tie these two yarn ends into a square knot and then weave the yarn end back into the cord. And that's a simplified method on how to crochet an iCORD. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.